Stephen shout out to 小姨，小姨买的衣服太可爱了。
还有点大呢，穿着。
我们今天是这个 sausage biscuit。我们今天是 Simon Toro 还是 sausage biscuit？ Anyway， 我们今天去 farm。
You just burped.
I saw it。 哎，我们到了 Stephen。
Stephen 吃完了。
So cute。 我们来了。 OK， 我们到了这个农场了。他们这边的停车场是无限制停车。今天是看可以飞一下无人机。
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch or fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall. When there's no one there to
I
catch
am
or
from the
fall.
crossroad, off-road, dodging all of the potholes. I'm an auto, mobile, holler a note, watch ho. We lost hope like Bob Hope. So what are we supposed to follow? I'm a leader, not an apostle, but I believe in the freedom that God holds. I'm on the top rope, ready to jump, so watch close. Been criticized and bucks though, since I was a snot-nosed kid. We ain't living for tomorrow, we live for the Lord. Oh, everybody trying to fit in the crowd like, where's Waldo? I freeze time like photographs, living for the moment. I'm taking mental pictures, reminiscing while I'm smoking. When I see the light of day, right away, I write away. Cause things I write and say give me direction like Michael Bay. I need some in my life because my plans they never work out. Like when I make plans to work out, cause everything don't always turn out how you want them to. Honest truth, nah, ain't nothing wrong with Luke. I walk this path alone, but I need somebody here to talk me through. But who?
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough.
今天有大概3、4台校车在这边，所以应该是有 baby 来春游。出发！今天老妈是摄影师哦。我们进来了。我们去看一下这里有哪些小动物。猪啊！吃的好快啊！
他笑了一下。
今天我们来 farm 看看小动物。We have some puppies here. Wow, that is huge. That one is so small and so cute. 妈妈在给小兔子照相呢，好可爱啊。
累累。
Stephen, say thank you.
Like under the stars. Oh, get away, you guys!
Wow.
A goat, the boys are called a buck, girls are called doe. Same as a rabbit. Oh, rabbit? Oh, you're learning, Stefan? 笑了他. And a cat, boys are called Tom.
Let's go home.
我们要睡了。耶！哎呀！哎呀！Goodness! Goodness! Oh my goodness!